Madam. Madam, good evening, madam.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Shall I start, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
A very good evening to all. On behalf of the organizing team, I would like to extend a hearty and warm welcome to you all for the final session of our one-week virtual short-term course on design and development of MOOC courses, a four-quadrant approach organized by the IQAC-ANNAMALAI University, Chidambaram. It's been a pleasure to have a large number.
Madam, please go ahead, madam. Madam, please go ahead.
Madam.
Dear participants, I think there is a small technical issue on for the host. We do understand. Yes, madam is back. Yes, madam. Please enable your mic, madam. Enable your mic.
Is it not audible, sir?
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
It has been a week filled with valuable insights, discussions, and hands-on experiences as we explore the fundamentals and intricacies of creating impactful online learning experiences using the four-quadrant framework. We have analyzed the nuances of e-tutorials, e-contents, discussion forums, and assessments. As we come to the close of this enriching journey, we hope all of you have gained the knowledge and skills needed to not only conceptualize and design your own courses, but also to adopt and innovate in the ever-evolving world of online education. We encourage you to take the ideas, tools, and strategies shared over the week and apply them in your future projects. Before we enter into this final session, I would like to profusely thank our distinguished resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerald, for his dedication and tremendous efforts in sharing his expertise to all of us through his insightful and mind-blowing presentations. With this short note, I welcome you all for today's concluding session. Over to Dr. Vimal Gerald, sir.
Thank you, Shashikala, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Most respected, the team IQAC, the director, deputy director, and all the team members, the technical team of IQAC-ANNAMALAI University, esteemed faculty members, teachers, professors from various universities and higher education institutions, professionals, research scholars, and all my members. Very good evening to you all. Am I audible? Once again, a very good evening to you all. It has been a journey. Thank you, professors. It has been, and thank you, Dr. Ramachandran. It has been journey started just 6 days before, and we are on the 7th day. And as I told you, it is a wonderful journey together with you all, as you are all so much interested, enthusiastic to uplift your digital skills or enhance your digital skills in designing, developing MOOC courses. We have seen very fundamental, simple ideas of doing so. It is not a so complicated method. As I told you earlier, professors, it has to be done for a month. Totally 60 hours course, slowly it has to be taken. But we have shrinked into a small capsule in 7 days. We are on the 7th day. Today, professors, thank you. Thank you, professors. We will take up your feedback at the end. Now we shall proceed for the session and we shall move towards the end. I shall try to finish little early if possible. And today, professors, we are going to revisit Q1 again. I'm going to give you a tool, introduce your tool called OBS. Many of you may know this. How many of yesterday I have told you to download OBS and OpenShot. How many of you have installed OBS? Only when you install, you will be able to understand. If you have installed OBS, please let me know. If you have installed, press 1 in the chat box. If you have not done, press 2 in the chat box. Let me check how many totally have done so far. Quite a good number as usually have installed, and some of you haven't installed, no problem. Download it. I want you to double click and install. You can double click and install. It's not OVS, OBS, OBS. Yesterday I have shown you, towards the end to download and keep it ready, installed. Okay, fine. Let me tell you, OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. Open Broadcaster, Vijay Bharati Madam and others, I do understand you. I know you are facing difficulty because in part of Tamil Nadu, particularly the northern part of Tamil Nadu, there is a heavy storm after the cyclone touched the ground, and still some of the areas have not recovered power. I am very sorry for the same. So those who have not installed, I want you to please note down. Today, you need not work with me. Please note down. Yeah, Dr. Marima, Dr. Megha Bhatta, Windows 7 will not support. I shall let you know what is OBS. OBS is expanded as Open Broadcaster Software. Please note it down. Open Broadcaster Software. Okay. Open Broadcaster Software. Storm Fengal in Tiruchirappalli. No. It is not from Tiruchirappalli. It has affected the northern part, madam. Dr. Sania, it has affected northern part. Yeah. Now, I shall introduce you with OBS. Many of you may know OBS. For those who do not know OBS, I shall introduce. OBS is expanded as Open Broadcaster Software. It is a free and open source software. It is a free and open source software. What is the use of OBS? OBS could be effectively used for two main purposes. Number one, you can screen record anything. You can screen record, screen capture any window. Secondly, you can also live stream to YouTube. So we are live streaming YouTube is a complicated one. I'm not going to introduce. Let us now understand how should we make use of OBS to screen record. Okay, professors. Live streaming means, for example, you have a function, you have a conference, you can take up that video and streaming it to YouTube live, not uploading the video, live. Okay, right, fine. Now, dear professors, I shall show you. Yesterday itself, I have told you how to download, but still I shall show you how to download, and later I will just open the tool and explain to you. Okay. Then at the end, process. Secondly, I would introduce you a tool called OpenShot. OpenShot is to cut, trim, and record. Edit the video. So you may do videos, Q1, e-tutorial. Okay, you may do e-tutorial, but if there is a mistake, if you want to trim, if you want to remove unwanted portion, how will you do that? Okay, that we are going to see, right? Professors, can you tell me, could you please tell me, how many of you have designed your own website? How many of you have attempted designing your website? I know there are people who could not work with computer because of various difficulties, but still, how many of you have designed? Great. Kumarasamy sir and others, many have done. Congratulations to all of you. Attempted. Very good, madam. Geetanjali madam, very good. And Professor Sundarraj, attempted. Very good. Designed. Okay, good process. Armugam sir, I don't understand. HOR tech. Attempted. Fine. See, please finish it. Just have a glance when you are free. Otherwise, you will forget, dear professors. I want all of you to please make an attempt. You will be able to get it. Okay, Kumarasamy sir, no, scrolling that you cannot do, sir. You do one way because it allows only static picture. It allows only static picture. Or else, what you do, you can go for GIF pictures, GIF. You try, sir, if GIF pictures are accepted. Okay, it allows only static pictures, but try if GIF pictures are permitted. Okay, right, fine. Let me share my screen, dear professors. Professors, is my screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible to you all? What do you see? I just opened a new window in Chrome. I have opened a new window in Chrome. Now here, look at here. I just wanted a few people to understand where to download. Please go to Google. Please go to Google and type OBS. Type OBS, not OBSC, I'm sorry. OBS. The first link that you get is obsproject.com. For those of you who do not install, I'm just showing the procedure. Just click this open broadcaster software. I shall send you the link also in the chat box. I've sent you the link. Now, you will have to, on going into the link, you will have to click this Windows. You know, whenever you would like to work with tutorial, audio, video content, e-content, you should have system about 10 and above, Windows 10 and above. Okay, professors. So you cannot work with Windows 7. Windows 7 is the older version. So I request you to please upgrade yourself, upgrade your laptops if possible. Okay, professors, my humble request. Only then you'll be able to make the one e-contents, the attracting e-contents that you like very much. Am I audible? Am I audible clearly? Am I audible, professors? Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please let me. Okay, right. Look at here. Now, this OBS software could be downloaded by clicking here. See, it supports Mac, it supports Linux. So for Windows, many of us have Windows. Click here and you are downloaded with 100 MB file. You are downloaded with 100 MB file. So after downloading, double click it. Double click the file. You will be able to install the software. Am I clear to you? Have you understood the procedure? I have already installed, so I'm not clicking this. So when you click this, it's automatically downloaded, right? I'm going to show you how you can, how can you open the file. I tell you, professors, double click and click next. You'll be able to install. Okay, professors? Can you do that? Those who have not installed, please do it. And professors, those who have installed, you can try. No, Dr. Sanya. Dr. Sanya, it is a window-based tool. It should be worked with computers, not mobile. Please understand, whenever you think of doing your quadrants, I mean 4 quadrants, better to use laptops, not in mobile phones. Okay, professors? For better, Monica, madam, I'm sorry. It doesn't support, Windows 7 doesn't support this software. You should have at least Windows 10 and 11. Okay, Dr. Monica, I'm sorry for the same. You can try with your system at your office or your colleague's system, maybe later. It's only additional one. It's only additional one. You can do all the videos in Zoom itself. Okay, in Zoom itself. Am I clear? You can even share your any screen. Any screen. I have shown you how to share the screen. But this is a sophisticated software. Okay, right. Now let me open the tool. Let me open the tool. OBS. See, I have installed. I'm opening the tool. I'm opening the tool, dear professors. Sir, I think, yeah. In between, there was a recording stopped. So I just See, I'm just removing and showing you the fresh. Okay. I'm showing you the fresh. So it will be like this. It will be empty. Nothing will be there. Okay. It will be nothing. Okay. It is nothing. Okay, fine. Now look at your process. I'm just trying to remove all these. See, I make it empty. Yes. Look at your process. Am I audible to you, process? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Look at here. It will be like this. Somebody has, it shows notification when I send to you. Yeah, Anuradha madam, you will have to say yes. You will have to say yes and proceed. You will have to say yes and proceed. Okay, madam? Yeah. Now it will be like this. It will be like this. See, for example, scene 1. It will be like this, scene 1. So if you open, do you get this option? See, look at here. Let me tell you, this is the stage. The top, no, this is the stage, which means yes, sir, Professor Sundarajan, you should have the proper format. So you go to view and have the normal window. Okay, you should go to the normal window. Look at here, reset UI, or you can just have the normal window. Okay, normal window. You enable this. You see that it is with the normal view. Okay, right? Fine. Okay, sir. Now, look at here. Let me tell you, dear professors. Let me tell you. Now, this is the first one is the scene and the sources. See, please understand, basically, this seems to be the tool that I am showing seem to be bigger, seem to be very difficult. No, it is not actually. So what do you do now? Look at here. The first window shows the scene. You can have number of scenes. In each scene, you can bring out any number of components. I will talk to you about components. Look at here, the second. Scene 1, you can add any component that you want. I will show you a few components. And the third window that show you the audio component. See, for example, right now, the mic is open, so mic is getting audio. If you play anything over the computer, this will also play. Okay. And this one is, see, right now we have only one scene. If you go with increased scene, you can have transition, one scene to the other. I tell you a scenario. You will understand better. For example, cricket is going on. One camera is focusing the pitch. One camera is focusing the other players in the ground. The other cameras are showing the audience. Okay. So you can think of, different cameras. But in TVs, what do you see? Only one screen, right? Either the pitch or sometimes when the ball goes to the audience, they show the audience and so on. So they switch over one screen to the other screen. Okay. So for example, scene 1 has got different items. So when I switch over to scene 2 comes to the view preview window. Am I clear to you? That is why that similarly, for example, you have college function. One camera focuses the stage. The other camera focuses the students. The other camera focuses the professors. The other camera overall angle. So whenever there is a need, people show that, and that is seen. For example, when the chief guest speaks, so the focus is on the chief guest. When the audience respond, the focus is on the audience. So switch over one scene to the other scene. Okay. That is what we are going to see today. It is an excellent tool. I want you to learn. We can even have exclusive workshop with OBS alone for 3 days. 3 days. It's an excellent tool. Okay. Right. Now look at here. It is scene 1. Can I add whatever that I want in scene 1? Yes, I'm going to tell you what are the things that you can add. You can add a backdrop. Okay, I tell you. Look at here, I'm in scene 1. I would like to add a backdrop. Okay. Now, how can I add a backdrop? Look at here, plus. You will have to click the plus symbol. See, these are all items that you can add. It is like sound and light show. In one stage, whatever characters you want to bring, those characters can be staged. You know, if you turn off that stage will not be seen. You switch over to the next stage where you will see so many other characters. Then you show another stage, you have some other characters. Similarly, we are in stage 1. I'm going to add components to stage 1. Okay. When I click that whatever that components will be shown. When I switch over to scene 2, that component will be seen, right? Now, look at here. I'm just adding. No, I'm trying to record on behalf of IQAC-ANNAMALAI University. Now, look at here. I'm going to show you how to add the backdrop color source. Look at here. There is an option color source. There is an option color source. Please make it known, professors. We are not going to see everything. We are not going to see everything here. Okay, color source. Please note down, professors. I want you to note down. Color source enables the backdrop in any size you want. I'll let you know. Look at here. I click color source. Professors, carefully note it. I want you to note it down. Put it in your notepad, please. Color source. Color source that enables the backdrop. Look at here. So you will have to name the color source. Okay, I don't want to name. Okay, now press OK. I want to name it as color source itself. Press OK. See, I'm getting the backdrop. Look at here. What color is it? It is a gray color. It is a gray color. Shall I go to select color? Look at here. I can fix my own color. Click select. You can select from the palette. Okay, or from, look at here, or from the window. Okay, look at here, this color window and the palette here. So I would like to go for light green. Look at here. Even lighter, I can bring it here. Look at here. You can make it a little more lighter by moving this. Look at here. See, light color screen. Right. Press OK. You will get that screen. Okay, process. Press OK. Press OK. Now you got it. Can I adjust the size? Yes. Look at here, I'm just taking it. I can just adjust the size. Look at here. I'm dragging. Am I clear to you, professors? Professors, once again, let me tell you, once again. Professors, I want you to please keenly listen. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I want you to please note down. Later, I will give you time. Please don't do it simultaneously. When I try, please listen. Please watch. Then I will give you time, you do it. Otherwise, you'll get confused. See, once again, I press the plus symbol at the source. See, I am in scene 1. I am adding property. Click the plus symbol. Okay, I am adding color source. Please carefully note it, color source. Color source that bring the solid color at the background. Color source. Look at it, click here. Press OK. See, I get this color, right? Gray color by default. Now, where can I change? Look at here, select color. There is an option, select color. Click that and you can change the color, any color that you want. Look at here. See, I can adjust the color as I want. You can move up and down and change. See, change the knob. You can have any color as you want. Look at here. So I can change this knob or from the palette. Pick from the palette. Press OK. OK. Now I have done. Okay. Now look at your professors. Can I make it smaller? Look at here. It covers the entire screen. See, I can click and move. Click and move wherever I want. And I can make it smaller also. Look at here. I just drag from the corner. It is proportionately small. Look at here. It proportionally shrinks. Okay. If I want to adjust the size freely, you press the shift key. Please understand, press the shift key. See, when I press the shift key, you can adjust any way you want. Look at here. See, I can put it as a small area can be adjusted. Look at here. Otherwise, see. Otherwise, how will it go? See, if I remove the shift key, see what happens? It can only proportionately go. Proportionately grow or shrink. Okay, when I press the shift key, any way I want, I can do. Look at here. I just want to do widthwise. I can drop down. Okay, dear professors. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay, professors. Did you get this? Okay, now I have got it. Look at here, I have got it. Okay, I'm not having the background for the entire backdrop. Only a bar on which I'm going to place the text. Okay, before that, I would like to have, please understand, I shall train you once again. I would like to design one more bar, small bar here at the bottom. How can I make it? Again, I'm going, look at here, plus symbol, look at your participants, plus symbol, color source, doing it again, color source 2. See, this is 1 and this is 2 I'm adding. Okay. Look at here, select color. Okay. Look at here, you can change color you want. Okay, participants. Yeah, look at here. See, I've got second one. Now, as usually, what do you do? What do you do? You can shrink it. How? Move it and press the shift key. You can make wonders by doing it. Look at here, professors. Professors, if you learn this, thank you, Dr. Suchi. If you learn this, you can run channels. You can run channels. You know, many digital channels, not satellite channels. Many digital channels use this OBS tool for doing all their broadcasting. It is an excellent tool, completely free offline. You need not have online connections. Okay, internet. Look at here. I have kept, see here. See, it goes proportionately. When I want to move freely, what should I do? Can you tell me? If I want to move freely, what should I do? Can you tell me, professors? Can you tell me, professors, if I want to move freely, what shall I do? Yeah, I can only get proportionately. If I want to move freely, what should I do? Shift key. Yeah, press shift key. Yeah, wonderful process. Great. All of you great. All of you so great. You're all getting it. Right. I have got it. Now, what do I do? Now I've got 2. See, if I want to work with this, I can click and move. If I want to work this, I can click and move. So now tell me in scene 1, how many components that I have added? In scene 1, how many components that I have added? Only 2, right? Very good. Excellent, professors. Excellent. Professors, please put that into your mind. OBS is easy. You know, many think that OBS is complicated. No, I cannot do. No. All of us can do. So we have learned how to put the color source bigger or smaller or shrinking or growing. All that we have known, right? Now I'm going to add logo. I'm going to add a logo, Annamalai University logo, right here on top. Okay, on top. How can I add? Now look at here. If I want to add any component, where should I click? Which window should I go? Please tell me, professors. I am in scene 1. Only one scene. I have not created second scene. In scene 1, yeah. Scene 1. Where should I add the components? Where should I add the sources? Very good. Chaitanya sir, you are correct. In source window, click the plus symbol. And now tell me which is the suitable one. You look at here, which is the suitable one to add the logo. Look at this list and tell me which is the opt one. Yeah, exactly. Image. Look at here, image. You're correct, Rekha, madam. You're correct, all of you. You're correct, all of you are correct. Click image and load the logo of Annamalai University. Okay. Right. Let me first download the logo and keep it. Okay, look at here. I just go to Google. I'm just downloading and keeping it. University logo. Look at here. I've kept the logo. Now, see this is the logo. I would like to keep it and download it. Just right click, save image. You all know. I just put it in local window. Okay. All right, done. So I've just clicked and I've got. Now go back to OBS. Right. Now look at here. I'm just clicking the plus symbol. Click the image. Professors, please note it down. Click the image. So if you want to add any picture, you will have to click the image option. Press OK and browse. browse. Click browse and go to the folder which you have the image. I have it in downloads folder. Go down. So I'm into downloads folder. Yeah, look at here. I have chosen this. Okay. Right. Press OK. Right. Bring it here. Okay. You can bring the logo in small size or big size. Right. I have just put it here. Okay. Put it in the middle of the scene. Right. Fine. I have done it. Okay. Process. I've added the logo. Now here, process. Have you all understood? Have you all understood? Now I want all of you to please, if you have installed, please try. If you could add a bar, if you could add a color source and an image, any image, please do it, professors. Please let you do it. Others, please note it down. Note it down, you can work on later. Yeah. You will also be given the recorded session. You can practice on your own. Done. Oh, Subhashini madam, you have done so fast. Vaidehi madam, done so fast. Congrats. Congrats. It's an excellent tool. I want all of you to attempt. See, first time you will not be able to do it, but Geetanjali madam done. All lady staff members are doing first. Great of you. Any clarification? Any clarification process? I think people are doing. I will give you time. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Oh, Vasanta madam, done. Okay. Ramachandran sir, no problem, sir. No problem. Note it down and you can do it later. Note it down and you can do it later. Shall I do this way? Otherwise, we'll take long time. Armugam madam, you know, as usually, how do you download any image, madam? How do you okay, Sundarajan sir, great, congratulations. Ramachandran sir, no problem, sir. I understand your situation. Shakila madam, usually, look at here, madam. Usually, please go put the text you want to download and right click the picture, and there is an option save image. Okay, madam. It could be saved. Okay, madam. Shakila madam. Yeah. Manikumari madam, congratulations. Chaitanya Dixit sir, congratulations. Okay, fine. Shall I move ahead? I want all of you, those who are trying, please note down and we can attempt it later. Otherwise, we'll take long time. Otherwise, we'll be missing. Oh, Tendral sir, thank you. Tulasi madam, congrats. Okay. Janet madam, yeah, no problem, no problem. I want you to note it down and do it later. I want you to note it down and do it later. Okay. Yeah. Done. Very good. Look at your process, Sashikala madam. Right. Thank you. Now look at here. I want to add text. Janet madam, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Janet, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Janet, what do you want me to repeat? Dr. Janet, what do you want me to repeat? Can you come on the mic? Madam, we have gone. Madam, sorry, madam. Janet, madam, sorry, because we have gone long way. If I repeat, it will take another 15 minutes and we'll be actually, other participants will feel. I'm very sorry, madam. Could you please make use of the recorded session? I'm very sorry, madam. Extremely sorry, because it will take another 15 minutes. Okay. I'm sorry. If it is a single one, I'll be going ahead, but entire portion, it is very sorry, madam, because other participants will feel. Okay, right, fine. Look at it, I'm going to add, hereafter you can note down, madam. Hereafter you can note down, and other things you can just take it down. See, I have added only the color source, image, other things, right? Now look at here. Now I'm going to add text. I'm going to add text. Now press the plus symbol. Press the plus. Anuradha madam, congrats. I want all of you to please stop the demo. Stop doing it. Now listen, watch. I'm going to add text. I'm going to add text. Now for that, what do? I click the plus symbol. Now tell me, process, which is the appropriate component to add text? On looking at the list, tell me which is the appropriate component. Monica madam, fine. You're fine. Vasudha madam, fine. All of you, fine. Click text and press symbol. Prasija madam, thank you. Yeah, first time I could see your name. Yes, click OK and type. Look at here, you type the font here. Type the letter here. Am I clear? Type the letter. For example, see here, press OK. Press OK. Before that, before pressing, you can go to select font. Once again, process, I just tell you, click the plus symbol. Let me tell you. Click the plus symbol and go to the text. Go to the text option. Fine. And you can just click this plus symbol. Click this, press OK. I have pressed it. Now select the font. You select the font. Okay, select the font. Click. I have selected. Now you can choose what font that you want to have. Look at here. You can choose the font that you want to have. Okay, you can choose the font that you want to have. Okay, process. See, I have chosen a font. And what is the size of the font? See, I would like to go for 48. I would like to go for 48 and press OK. Okay, process, press OK. Now, am I clear to you, process? Am I clear to you? Once again, let me tell you. Look at here. You choose the font and type here. Whatever you type, it comes. Once again, process, I tell you, with regard to text, I'm just doing it again. Click the plus symbol. Click the text option. Press OK. Now it tells you to select. Go to select option. Okay, you choose whatever font you want. Okay, I'm choosing the font and the size also. You choose the size, press OK, and type the letter here. Type the letter here. For example, IQAC, comma, Annamalai University. Okay, Annamalai University, Chidambaram. Okay, Chidambaram, right? Fine. Press OK. You can even fix the color. Look at here, come down. You have the color also. See, at the beginning, you are entering the text here, come down. You have the color. It's white color actually. I can make it colorful. Look at here, select color. You can make it colorful. See, I want to go for dark blue. Dark blue. You can adjust the color. See, I get darker. You can adjust the palette and get darker. Press OK and I'm able to get it. Look at here. So the text, I am unable to see the text. And I'm unable to see the text. So I just wanted to bring it on the top. Right click. Order. Move up. So the text is actually, see, text is actually quite bigger. So I'm just making it so small so that I can make it small. It may be visible. Professors, look at here. I am unable to see the font. 1 minute, professors. It is at the background. The font is at the background. I'm just making it smaller so that I'm just making it little bigger. See here, I'm just making it little bigger. Okay. Let us see if it is visible. Professors, the font is here, but still I'm unable to see the font. Let me just try once again, professors. There is an issue in showing the font. Right. Let me just go make it still more bigger. See, I want to go make it still more bigger. See, I want to have 250. Look at here. The font is here on the top. Now I'm just opening. Look at here. See, I've got the font. Now what do I do? As usually, make it smaller. See, I can make it smaller. Now it goes proportionately. How can I adjust this? Adjust automatically on all the sides. See, you can press the shift key and make it small, big, and so on. See, I just make it small, big, and so on. Okay, process. Got it. I make it a little more smaller. So cut here. Okay. Right. Okay, process. Make it bigger. 250. Automatically, the screen size is bigger. Then you can adjust. You can adjust and see. Okay, we adjust and see. Okay, process. Okay. Okay, process. Okay, process. Now the same way I'm going to add another letter. Another letter. Let me tell you once another letter. How can I make another letter? Very simple. Click the plus symbol. Process. I'm clicking the plus symbol. You want to change, right? Look at it. I just click it. You will get it, right? Click it. Click the text box. Click the text box and you will get the color. Look at here. Select color. Here itself you'll get. Click select and you can change the color. See, for example, I would like to change it to green. Look at here. I'm going green, dark green. So I can get change of color. Look at here. Have you got it, Professor? Subramanian sir, have you got it? Have you got it, sir? Subramanian sir, have you got it? I have changed the color. Now, look at here. I go once again to the plus symbol. Click text box. Press OK. Choose the color you want. See, I go to font and choose the color. This is Arial. Okay, let me have Arial. And what is the font that I want? Look at here. Welcome. Hearty welcome to STC on MOOCs. STC on MOOCs. Hearty welcome to STC on MOOCs. You can have any character, any letter you want. Okay, participants, you can have any letter, any character. For example, or else you can just go e-content. Look at here. I just want to go for title of the e-content here. Title of the e-content. Okay. Right. Title of the e-content. You just click, sir. See, for example, look at here 23 UCS 101. The course is MOOC. Okay. Design and development of MOOC. Okay. MOOC. Second line. Enter. It comes to the second line. Uday Kumar sir, it comes to the second line. There you can type, see, fundamentals of e-content. See, four-quadrant module. Four-quadrant module. Okay, see, I have brought it. Now I want to go for the alignment. Look at here, alignment is here. Come down. You have alignment and so on. See, alignment. Instead of left alignment, you go for the center alignment. See, I just fixed the center alignment. And the color, I want to go for some dark color. Look at here. I'm just going for some dark color. So in this window itself, you bring down and down, you'll be able to get all that you wanted to go. Okay, see here, come down, alignment is here, alignment. Okay, and choose press. Now you make it small. I'm just bringing it from the corner. See, it's too big. I'm just making it small. See, I'm just making it small, bringing it small. Okay, process. Okay, got it. Now I just make the color source little bigger. Got it, process? Process, have you got it? Have you understood, process? See, now I want to make it little bold. So what should I do? Click this and go to select font. Click this and go to select font. Madam, Monica, madam, enable up and down, move up and down, enlarge it, move, drag it, it will make it bigger, right? Okay. Go to select font and you can make it bold. Look at here, I'm just making this bold. See, now the letter is bold, a little bold. Okay, have you all got it? Now the first window is over. The first window is over. See, only on, explaining it takes time, but doing it, you can quickly do it. When you practice, you will get it, right? The first window is over. I go for the second window. Professors, please understand, I go for the second window. Before going to the second window, I want to add a soft music here. when people listen to the first window, I want them to add a soft window. I mean, soft music. Soft music. Okay. How can I add soft music? See, for example, you keep this window for 2-3 seconds for the learners to just to have what course and who offers and so on. So you want to have soft music just for 10 seconds or something. Can I add music here? Very simple. Look at your process. I will do it. Now, where do we download music? Please note down, where do you download a soft music, a free music? You should not add movie music and so on. You should not add movie music and so on. You should add soft music from free source. So for that, I shall take you to this. Okay, Ben Sound. Please note down process Ben Sound. Ben Sound. It's a way to download free music. Ben Sound. Please go to Ben Sound. Yeah. Click after going to Ben Sound. See, this is the website process. Is my screen visible? Ben Sound screen is visible. I have given you the process. I have given you the Ben Sound link. After getting the link, you press free music. After getting onto this link, press free music. Just giving you the link once again. Click free music. So you'll get different music. Look at here. You get different music. You can listen. Now I shall share once again. You can get the music also. 1 minute process. Are you able to get the, see, for example, I'm just getting, I play this. See. Are you able to get the sound? Are you able to get the sound? Are you getting the sound? Are you getting the music process? I'm playing this one. Look at here. I'm just playing this. Okay, if you like this, you can click download. That's all process. I'm just playing different aspects and click. See, so many. So I would like to download this. I would like to download this. Click free download. Click free download. Stop process. Download music. Okay, process. Click download. Click download. Okay, process. Now look at your process. Carefully note it. See, we'll have to do it freely. Please carefully note it. Carefully note it process. I just go back. I just go back. Look at here. It is downloaded. It's already downloaded. I have already downloaded. Don't need to follow. Look at here. No need to be worried about other aspects of this. When I click, if you want to download this, see here, Moonlight Drive or Long Night, or see here. I just wanted to download this. Click free download. Click free download. Automatically click this. Click this. It will be downloaded into your downloads folder. That's all process. You need not bother about other. Right? Fine. Okay, process. Right. Now, how can I add this into OBS? Carefully note it. I'm going to add this into OBS. Now, carefully note it. Click the plus symbol. Process. Click the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol. And here, if you want to add music, you will have to go to media source. Please note down. Plus note down process. To add video, to add music, you will have to click media source. To add video, to add music, you should have media source. Am I clear to you, process? To add video, add music, you should go to media source. Click media source. Click media source. Press OK. Now you will have to open the media. You will have to open, browse and get the music. Browse. Where is the music? It is in the downloads folder. Go to the downloads folder. See, this is the one that we have downloaded. Okay, this is the one that we have downloaded. Click this and press open. I've got this and click OK. Now I've got the music. See, I've got the music. I've got the music, right? Put it aside. Okay. So it will not be It will not be visible. Professors, it will not be visible. You can even put it at the back. Okay, it will not be visible. It can be small in size. Okay, professors. Right, fine. So now you will not listen to the music, but when you play, it will be playing. When you record, it will be playing. Right. Now scene number 1 is over. Okay, scene number 1 is over. I'm going for the next scene. Next scene, I appear in camera and introduce the topic and module. Third scene, I want to have my PowerPoint. Fourth scene, if I want to have any other window, browser or any other window. Okay, if you're teaching Tally, if you're teaching simulation tools, if you're teaching any other tool, you can keep that in window. And any number of scene you can create. Now we have seen only one. Professors, have you got the concept? Have you got the concept? Do you all get the concept? Please let me know. Do you all get the concept? Do you all get the concept, dear professors? I want you all to please ensure whether you've got the concept. Right? Professors, have you all get me the concept? Everyone? Am I audible to you? Professors, am I audible to you? Do you all get it? Now, first scene is over. I'm going for the second scene. How can you go for the second scene? See, in the scene 1, you get so many components added. Now, I tell you what are the components added. See, I have added logo, image. I have added color source, 2 color sources. One is blue color and another one is this one. And text, 2 text. Look at here, 2 text and 1 music. Okay, totally I have added some components. Right. Now, I'm going for scene number 2. How can you add scene number 2? Click this plus symbol. You get scene 2. Okay, scene 2. Press OK. Now I'm into scene 2. Now this stage is empty, completely empty, right? This stage is completely empty. Professors carefully noted, this stage is completely empty. What am I going to add? I'm going to add my video part, and I'm going to add a text box. Can you add any number of people? Yes. If you have too many cameras, see, please understand, if you have too many cameras in TV shows, they do it like this. If they have too many cameras covering different people, you can add all the 4 people here in tile and put their text. Now, right now, what do? I just would like to go for adding, look at here, adding any component. Where should I click? See, I am into scene 2. If I want to add any component here on stage, where should I click? Where should I add? Where should I? Plus, but where? Here also plus. Please understand. Here also plus, here also plus. Where should I add? Source, exactly. Click the source. Now I'm going to add the camera. Please understand, I'm going to add the camera. For that, let me stop the camera. Look at here, let me stop my camera. Normal camera in Zoom. I'm just stopping the camera. Now, look at here, click the plus symbol and go for, tell me, what should I click here? What should I click? Video capture device. Please note it down, professors. In order to get the camera, you'll have to click video capture device. Please understand here, professors. In order to get the camera, you'll have to click video capture device. Note down, professors. Write down somewhere. Video capture device. You will have to click video capture device. Click that. Click video capture device. Press OK. Press OK. Professors, note it down. Video capture device. Press OK. Now look at here. This is my camera. I can just be focused, and you can get the camera as you want. See here, this is the original camera. Okay, I have put look at here. I'm just making it smaller. I'm just making it smaller. Okay, I just put it like this. Look at here. I just place this like this. Okay, right? I'm just here with camera, right? If you want to have, see, proportionately increases, decreases. Increases, decreases. Now, if you want to have odd size, what should I do? If you want to adjust on my own, press Shift key, you can adjust. See? Press Shift key, you can adjust any way you want. Okay, see? Okay, dear professors. Now, I don't want to go. Now, look at here. I just would like to have full window, right? I have it in full window. Now, I would like to add my details. Where can I add? Look at here. I can keep it here at the bottom, or look at here. I would like to keep it at the bottom. If I want to have two cameras, you can bring another window here. See, for example, I also have another camera. Look at here. I do have another camera. I want to bring another. Okay. Imagine that in that camera, there is somebody. Okay. Right. Process only right now I am here. If you want to bring another person into the next camera, for example, if you want to have interview like, I can have one more person there, right? If you want to have. So in order to add another camera, what should I do? I just open the another camera also. Look at here. How can I do it? Click the plus symbol. Process, click the plus symbol. Click video capture device again. Press OK. You get one more window, right? From there, look at here. Choose another camera. Look at here. There are 3 cameras right now. So click device. Click device and choose another camera. See, this is another camera. Focusing me. This is another camera. Quite dull camera. Look at here. Okay. This is systems camera. See. Imagine that this is another one. Okay. All right. See here, there are 2 people connected now. One camera is holding me this side, and this side. 2 cameras. Imagine that there are 2 people right now. Okay. Now I'm going to hold letters to each one. Okay. So how can I bring characters? How can I bring, text plus symbol, text box, press OK, and type here, Dr. A. Vimal Gerald. Okay, process. Right. I'm just bringing that text. Make it smaller. See, make it smaller. And I'm just, see, if you want to add one more line, see, for example, where is C from and so on, click here, you'll be able to make it. Double click, you'll be able to get this window. Sir, I think recording stopped, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, look at here, I've got this. Now I want to go for adding one more line. Look at here. See, for example, one more text box for this professor. Right, click plus symbol, go to text box, press OK, and type here. Look at here, type Dr. Jaya Prakash. Okay, Dr. Jaya Prakash. I'm just bringing Dr. Jaya Prakash, right? So another. If you have another person, see, for example, if you are doing conferences, you can have any number of cameras connected and you can bring. See, look at here. This camera covers Vimal Jalal. This camera covers Dr. Jay Prakash. Imagine that we have 2 people, right? Okay, process. Do you understand now how to add cameras? Do you understand, process? Process, do you understand how to add cameras? Process, do you understand? Got it? Video capture device. Note it down. Video capture device. Okay, process. Now, I'm going for scene 3, where I'm going to add the PowerPoint. I'm going to have scene 3 where I'm going to add PowerPoint. Okay, third screen. I'm going to add PowerPoint. I'll tell you how to add PowerPoint. Before that, you open PowerPoint. See, I just have this PowerPoint today. Let me 1 minute process. One minute process. I'm just trying to get the PowerPoint, right? Look at here. This is the PowerPoint that we're going to show you. Yes. So keep it in full screen. Keep it in full screen. Okay. And go back. I've kept the PowerPoint in full screen, right? Now, what do? I just go to the scene 3 to add PowerPoint. I keep the PowerPoint in full screen at the background. Now go to the third scene. Process, I'm into third scene. Scene number 3. Press OK. Now the stage is empty. Please understand, the stage is empty. What should I do now? What should I do now if the stage is empty? Now I will have to add the PowerPoint. Now how can I add the PowerPoint? Go to the plus symbol and choose window capture. Process, note it down, process. Window capture. Please choose window capture. please choose window capture. Process, make note of it. In the source, you please choose window capture to bring PowerPoint or any display in the screen. Okay, process. Just make it process. Window capture. Click here, plus OK. Now look at here. What do you want to actually have? After choosing this, you'll have to choose window. In the window, you go check the PowerPoint one by one. See here. See, in the window, I have chosen the PowerPoint. So PowerPoint comes into the picture, full picture. Am I clear to you, process? The PowerPoint comes into full picture. If it was something else, you will have to choose from here. Look at here. See, these are all different windows. See, this is Benzound window. This is cybercrime window. See, look at here. These are all different windows. So I will have to choose the right window that I want. Okay, from the window. Okay, right, chosen. So the PowerPoint window is here in the third scene. Okay, process. Now, I want to go for fourth scene and demonstrate, please understand, demonstrate how the video, the Benzound music is done. Imagine that you are demonstrating, please understand, professors, you are demonstrating some other window, maybe a simulation, maybe a video, or maybe another browser or programming window, anything you want to show them. You can go to that. Now, how can you go ahead? Go to the plus symbol. Look at here. I just go to the plus symbol, scene 4. I am into scene 4. So in this scene, I want to add Windows capture and I want to add the browser here. I want to demonstrate to the participants how can I download a Benzound music. Okay, right. Now tell me. I shall tell you. Click the plus symbol. Click the Windows capture. Look at here. I'm just clicking Windows capture. Press OK. Now, normally this comes. Now, I'll have to choose the window, whichever I want. See, I just get one by one. See, this has got Chrome window. Look at here. This has got Chrome window. Okay. Am I clear to you, professors? This has got Chrome window. Am I clear to you, professors? So now, look at here. One scene to the other scene. In scene 1, look at here. Scene 1, we have this. When I change to scene 2, see, I'm there. Scene 3, we have the PowerPoint. Scene 4, you have the browser. Do you understand now? Whatever that you click, that will be shown on the stage. That will be telecasted or that will be recorded. Am I clear to you, professors? Do you all get it now? Do you all get it? Adding different scenes, different sources as you like. As I told you, we have seen only simple elements. But you can have so many things here. I just wanted to show you only simple things. Otherwise, it will be too complicated. We shall have workshop, separate workshop on this to live stream and so on. We will have so many other elements. Professors, do you all understand? Do you all understand? Do you all understand adding different components? Now, I have few questions to ask you. Now, if you want to add camera, what is the source that you choose? If you want to add a camera. If I click the browser, then that, yeah. Video capture, very good, professors. Not capture camera, no, video capture. Video capture device, right, fine. If you want to add any window, browser or simulation or any tools, what do you do? What do you go from the source? You go to window capture. Yes, professors. From window capture, you'll have to choose from the list. You will have to choose from the list. Okay, professors. Now I'm ready. I'm going to show you how to record. Professors, I'm ready. I'm going to show you how to record. Shall we go ahead, professors? Shall we go ahead? Professors, shall we go ahead? Shall we go ahead, professors? Shall we go ahead, professors? Fine. Now look at here. I'm in scene 1. I'm in scene 1. 1 minute, professors. I'm in scene 1. Now I'm going to start recording. I'm going to start recording. How? How to start recording? See here in the control panel. In the control panel, you have different options. No, don't worry. Don't bother about too many options. Just click start recording. It will start recording. That's all. If you want to stop or pause here itself, there will be some symbol. Now another thing, professors, if you want to have different scenes, look at here. I go to press second scene. Second scene comes. If I want to have third scene, if I want to go to fourth scene, I switch over from one scene to the other scene. Am I clear now? Now, whatever that I click, that will be recorded. Am I clear? So it is my control. I click and that stage will be recorded. Am I clear? Am I clear to you, professors? Right. Now look at here. See, in the first scene, see, this is about 4-quadrant module. In the second scene, imagine that I have two people. In the left window, I have Dr. Vimal, and the right window, I have Dr. Jayaprakash. I'm going to have interview method. Okay, right now I am there, so I will ask question, I will answer. Okay, professors, just for a model. And third scene, I will have some presentation. Fourth scene, I will demonstrate how to download something. Okay, though these scenes have no sequence, okay, but I want to show you different components. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Shall I go for recording? Rekha madam, you can name the scene as you want. For example, I want to have, see here, I just wanted to have, right click, you can change. Look at it here, rename. Renaming is possible. Rekha madam, do you understand? Renaming is possible. Okay. Got it, madam? Renaming is possible. Now I want you to please understand one scene to the other scene. Look at the transition. When I click, see it goes like this. Can I change the transition? Look at here. In fourth window, look at here at the bottom, fourth window, you have transitions. See, this is called cut. See, when I go to the next window, immediately it comes. See, this is cut. This is called cut. Second, fade. Look at here, fade. See, fade. Okay, process. See, this is another fade. Got it? And the third one is swipe. See, when I click the second scene, see. Okay, process. Okay. Which do you like, process? See here, next one is Luma wipe. Luma wipe is, look at it this way. Luma wipe. Okay, this is Luma wipe. Which one is better? See, the last one is Stinger. Look at here. See, flickers and changes. Okay, process. Which one shall we keep it? Fade. Okay, fade or swipe. What shall we go ahead with? Cut is tuck, it comes. Okay, shall we go to swipe? Look at here. Oh, fade is fine. Fade. Look at here, fade. Okay. Okay, process. Now, I'm going for recording. So I'm in scene 1. I keep this window for 10 seconds. Before recording, please check. Look at here, the mic is working. See? Check. Look at here, the mic is working. And the music that I've added, it is also working. Okay, if you get any sound from computer, this will work. See, for example, if I go to scene 3 or scene 4, so this computer sound should work. When I click this browser, the computer sound should also work. Right, I keep scene 1, go for recording. Click start recording. So it starts recording. Process, it starts recording. Are you all ready? See, I'm clicking start recording. So I will leave it for 10 seconds. Okay, first screen. Greetings, dear learners. Welcome all the learners this module. This module will have combination of presentation and demonstration. We have with us now expert Dr. Jayaprakash. He is here, and we will talk to him and get to know what is 4-quadrant window, 4-quadrant module. Good evening, Dr. Jayaprakash. Tell us what are the 4-quadrant module. Good evening, sir. The 4-quadrant modules are e-content, that is e-tutorial, audio video material. Supplementing that, quadrant 2, text or PDF material, that is known as e-content. And quadrant 3 for extra learning, it could be discussion forum or URLs or case studies to make learners learn extra. And the 4th quadrant is assessment. Thank you, Dr. Jayaprakash, for the clear explanation. And now, dear friends, let us move on for the PowerPoint. Professors, I have passed the recording. Look at here. I have passed the recording. I have passed. See here, I have passed the recording. Now here, see, after getting on to the PowerPoint, what do? You have to go to the PowerPoint window and talk. Not here. Not here. You will have to go to the PowerPoint window. How will you go? Alt tab. Please note it down, professors. Alt tab. Go to the PowerPoint window. Alt tab. See, I am into PowerPoint window. Now, before switching over to PowerPoint window, click the recording and switch over. See, I'm just enabling the recording and going back. Dear learners, let us understand the quality and copyright parameters. See, we have different quality parameters, academic parameters. Check whether it is, whether all the academic parameters such as course code, relevant information given to the learners. And the pedagogical aspects, technical elements, learner perspective, UGC's guidelines, and all these are different guidelines should be adhered. And it should be technologically friendly, learner friendly, and teacher friendly. And it should have pedagogical values. It should have learner centric and self-evaluative. It should also have objective learning. And these are all some of the guidelines of developing video. And this is guidelines for developing e-text, that is quadrant 2. This is guidelines for PPT making. And these are guidelines to avoid plagiarism. Professors, now look at here. Look at here. I have passed it. Now what should I do? Now I go back to scene 2 and summarize what has happened. Jayaprakash sir, have you stopped the recording? Dr. Jayaprakash sir? Jayaprakash sir?
Sir, network issue, sir.
Okay. Don't worry, professors. It will be recorded. Don't worry. Now look at there, professors. I just go to scene 2. Scene 2. Look at here. I go to scene 2 and speak again. Then come back to the 4th window. I go to the scene 2 now. Do you understand now? Yeah, I was with scene 1, just displaying the information. Second, explained what are we going to do with the PowerPoint. I mean, what are we going to do with PowerPoint? Then move to PowerPoint. Then after PowerPoint, I come back to the screen, I mean the video, and explain again what am I going to do the next. So now I'm enabling recording. Look at here, I just enable. I just unpass, which means continuing the review. Dear learners, in the next part of the module, I am going to give you a demonstration of how to download a royalty-free music. Are you ready? Shall we go? Professors, I have passed. Look at here. I passed recording. So what should I do now? Before going, now I should go to scene 4. I should go to scene 4. So now what should I do? Enabling recording. I should go to that browser and explain over there. Right? Am I clear? Right. Let me do it. Look at here. I just go to the browser, keep the browser window ready. Now this window, I'm just going to keep it, Google. Keep it Google. Yeah. Keep Google. Keep Google ready. Keep Google window ready. I'm keeping Google window ready. Okay, professors. Right. I go back to OBS and pass. Look at here. So I am going to tell, yes, right. Look at here. Are you ready? Dear learners, I'm going to give you a demonstration of downloading royalty-free music using BenSound. So let me take you all to the browser. Please go to Google and type BenSound. You get www.bensound.com. Click www.bensound.com. So you get onto the browser. After getting onto the browser, you click free music. Click free music. It will take you to this window. You will see different variety of music, cinematic, positive, calm, So I click over COM. In the COM window, you will have so many music. For example, I have a music called Hearty. I just play this. So after some time, the music will play. Get the music. If you like the music, you can download. How can you download? Look at there. You have option free download. Click free download and you get this option. Click that green color button. So it is automatic. In short, it will automatically get downloaded. Yes, the video, the music has been downloaded. Look at here, it has been downloaded. So this is now to other music. Check if you are interested, play, and if you are happy, if you are satisfied, click pre-download and click this download music. Automatically, the music gets downloaded. Okay, dear participants. Now I clicked pause symbol. Look at your process. I click pause symbol and go to scene 2. Now I just give once again the summing up and go to scene 1. With that, I am going to get it over. Now enable the recording and pause the recording. So dear learners, so far you have understood the downloading of royalty-free music from Benzown. See you. I hope all of you have understood what is 4-quadrant module through a presentation and listening to Dr. Jayaprakash and a presentation on quality parameters. Then we also had a demo of how to download royalty-free music. See you in the next module. Thank you. So, professors, I have completed the recording. So, what should you do? I have paused the recording. Please stop recording. Click stop recording. I have clicked stop. Professors, I have clicked stop. Now, what should I do? I have clicked stop. What should I do now? Please tell me what should I do now? After stopping, you will collect the recorded version in, look at your note it down process. Here itself, you can press stop and pause. Now I go back to file. Look at here. Please go to file, note it down process, show recording. See, you go to file and show recording. Professors, note it down where to get the recorded version. Go to show file, show recording. Click that. Your window will have all the recorded videos. Your window will have all the recorded videos. And the last is ours. Look at here, the last one. Date and time will be there. 1/12/2024. I shall open this. Look at here how it has been recorded. You will understand. Listen to the sequence. You will understand. My screen visible? My screen visible? Are you able to get the music? Are you able to get the music?
Greetings, dear learners. Welcome all the learners this module. This module will have combination of presentation and demonstration. We have with us now expert Dr. Jayaprakash. He is here.
Okay, I am in the second scene now. Second scene has been recorded. Now slowly.
What is 4-quadrant window? 4-quadrant module. Good evening, Dr. Jayaprakash. Tell us what are the 4-quadrant module. Good evening, sir. The 4-quadrant modules.
Okay, sir. I'm just moving fast. Okay. Look at here. I'm just moving to the next scene. Look at here. Now in the PowerPoint. See here.
Dear learners, let us understand the quality and copyright.
Recording stopped.
The sound is very feeble. See here.
So we have different quality parameters.
See everything clearly recorded, no?
Parameters. Check
clearly
whether
recorded.
it is, whether all the
now I am just moving further.
Course code.
Look at your process. I'm moving further.
Technologically friendly, learner friendly, and teacher friendly.
Every animation is recorded.
It should have pedagogical values. It should have learner centric and self-evaluative. It should also have objective learning. And these are all some of the guidelines of developing video. And this is guidelines for developing e-text, that is quadrant 2. This is guidelines for PPT making. And these are guidelines to avoid plagiarism. So dear learners, In the next part
Yes, I'm
of the
just
module,
moving.
I'm
It,
benzound.com.
this is Benzound last part.
www.benzound.com.
This
So
part
you
you
get
recorded.
onto the browser. After getting onto the browser, you click free music. Click free music. It will take you to this window. You will see different variety of music, cinematic, positive, calm. So I click over calm.
The
In the
sound is
calm
very
window, you will
feeble.
have so many music. For
The
example,
sound is
I
very
have a
feeble
music
right
called
now.
Hearty. I just play this. So after some time, the music will play. Get the music. If you like the music, you can download. How can you download? Look at there. You have option free download. Click free download and you get this option. Click the green color button. So it's automatically it will start. And if you are happy, if you are satisfied, click free download and click this download music. Automatically the music gets downloaded. Okay, dear participants. So dear learners, so far you have understood the downloading of royalty-free music from Benzound. See you, I hope all of you have understood what is 4-quadrant module through a presentation and listening to Dr. Jayaprakash and presentation on quality parameters. Then we also had a demo of how to download royalty-free music. See you in the next module. Thank you.
Professors, have you got it? Do you understand now? Do you understand now? Let me stop my camera in, let me stop Dr. Prasant. Okay, let me just tell you. I'm just stopping the camera here. I'm stopping the camera. See my, here my voiceover recording here, I'll have to adjust it. I should have done some adjustment. Okay, my camera is for camera. See, it is recorded from the camera mic. Please understand, I am connected with Zoom. I am also recording, so it cannot run with 2 channel. If I do it without all these Zoom and so on, it will be perfect. Because the other mic, it has worked out, that is quite low. Okay. Okay. The mic that I speak right now is with Zoom. The other mic, which is quite feeble. Okay. Have you got it? Have you understood any clarification? I think Professor Prasad has asked. Professor, in scene 3, how to get the next slide. Please understand, Dr. Prasad, you can add any number of windows at the same time. Okay, in OBS, any number of windows. See, I have shown you browser, I have shown you, the other one, PPT, or you can have any number of cameras. In Zoom, it is not possible. Only one camera is possible. Okay, one camera, and you can have, other scenes, you will stop and every time you share. But here, you click the scene and you can just add. And number 2, if you want to go to next slide, go to the slide. See, actually, you go to the slide, not in the OBS. OBS, you just click the scene and go to the slide window and just press next, you will be able to go to the next window. Okay. And can we add our video on the top of the PPT? Yes, of course. Of course. See, for example, I tell you how to add. In the transition, only cut and fade is available. Okay, Subhashini madam, maybe it's because of your version that you have downloaded. Okay. Can we change the background? Of course. Subramaniam sir, you can change the background. Only thing is that you should have a plain window, plain screen. Okay, plain screen. And you can have, there is a concept called chroma key. If you are with the studio, you can completely change it. Yeah. Pass button is not visible near. Okay, sir, look at here. You adjust the window, you will get it. You adjust slightly the window, you will get it. Yeah. Please tell the command again, getting PPT slide. Madam, it's not command. Madam, it's not command. Please understand. Shift or tab. Shift tab. You are playing between different windows. You are playing between different windows. Okay, madam. Monica, madam, you are playing between different windows. Okay. Alt tab. Yeah, you are right. Alt tab. Press, you go to the next window. Okay. The advantage of this one from Zoom is you can add any number of camera. You can add any number of windows. You can add any number of scenes. And you can really do even, for example, in your college, if you want to have too many cameras, if you want to have control, for example, if chief guest is coming, you want to keep it in scene 1. Look at here. So until the program starts, scene 1. Once the stage program starts, scene 2. And if you want to show audience, scene 3. If you want to show something else, scene 4, scene 5, scene 7. So accordingly, you can live cast things. Okay, professors. And one of the professor asked, can I add, a camera here? You can very well add. Only thing is that, look at here, I just go to scene 2 and delete one of the cameras because I have only 2 cameras. I'll show you now how to make it. Look at here. I'm just deleting in scene 2. Now I just keep only 1 here and I make use of it in here. Okay. Now, how can I add camera? How can I add camera? Please click the plus symbol. Video capture device. Press OK. Now you click the camera. See, another camera. See here, I just keep it. Keep this in one corner process. That's all. So I'm in the PowerPoint window also. Okay, process. Now, see, we will have a workshop separately. For example, if you want to remove the background, you should have a plain background. Only then the background can be removed. For that, you should use chroma key. Look at here. See, chroma key plus symbol. Process carefully noted. Go to filters. Go to filters. See, this will be complicated. Please don't learn it just for possible. Okay. Is it possible to use the same camera? No. Only one window you can use. Only one window you can use. You can add any number of cameras. But in one window, one camera. At a time, one camera can be used here or there. Now in filters, you can use chroma key. Look at here. Chroma key to remove the background. Look at here. Chroma key. Process you need not learn. I'm just showing. Somebody asked how to remove the background. Look at here. So it removes the background. It removes the background. Adjusting. Look at here. See, right now I don't have green color. Look at here. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? See here, I'm just trying to remove the background. You can put any other background over there. See? Are you able to see me? No, you're not able to see. Because I couldn't clean it properly because I am not I don't have any proper camera. So go to filters and delete this. Okay, process. We shall learn it later if we have proper settings. Okay, it will be too complicated if I teach if I demonstrate everything together. But it can be done. Professors, please understand from me. It can work like a complete studio for a bigger channel. Okay, bigger channel. Okay, it's an excellent tool. How many of you have some idea or confidence working with this? Try, professors, try. If you have any clarification, post the queries in the chat, in the window. Tomorrow onwards, I request sir to open the window. When they have some clarification, they can ask in the window. Okay, yeah, fine. Can you try, professors? How many of you are confident in working? Just try, attempt. You may fail in certain occasions. So immediately refer the video, watch the video and do it. Otherwise, if you are unable to solve, please reach me out. I shall help you. Okay. Okay. I wish you all the very best. Yes. Sudharajan sir, you can have scrolling out text. Everything. I tell you, no. All that people do it in TV can be done here. All that people can do it with TV can be done here. Everything. Whatever they do it in TVs, television channels, it can be done here. The only thing is that it's a limited time. For academician, this is enough. For Q1, this is enough for us. Okay. See, for example, I have this Vimal Jaral. Can I move it up and down? Very simple. Look at your filters is here. Filters. I give the plus symbol and you can use scroll. Look at here. There is an option scroll. So I can make it scroll up and down. Look at the speed. Look at the speed. Vertical or the thing. Okay. You can look at here. Are you able to get it? Look at here. Are you able to get it? Look at here. Okay. Okay, sir. Are you able to see the speed? Look at it. If you want to take it from the left. So it comes. Look at here. It comes. Okay, sir. See here. It will be moving from here. Do you understand, sir? Do you get it? Like this, I can go on, tell you, so many things. Okay. So only thing is that it will be quite complicated. All the other extra elements, we learn it later. Okay, so shall we move on to the next tool? Otherwise, it will be too late. Shall we move on to the next tool? Next tool is just, I want you to trim. I want you to finish it off. Trimming and finishing it off. Little bit you learn. Okay, shall I just close this? Shall I just close this OBS? Shall I close this OBS with your permission? If you have any other clarification, I think most of the clarification raised, I have answered. If you have any other, you are most welcome to ask at the end. Now let me close it process. I'm just closing. Closing. See, it can be closed just like this. See, this is the video that we have done. This is the video window that we have done. Where do you get your video? Please tell me, how do you get your video? Please tell me, how do you get your video? Can you tell me, where do you get your video? Process, can you tell me, where do you get your video? File and show record. File and show record. File and show record. Okay, professors, file and show record. Am I clear? Yeah, file, not download. No, madam. File and show record. You click, that will be there. File and show record. Yes, show recording. You will have it, right? Fine. Now I am going to the next tool. How to edit. Edit means not sophisticated editing. Trim, cut, and how to just create a video. That's what we are going to see. Okay. This is called OpenShot. Please type OpenShot in Google. Okay. The first one, you get this openshot.org. Openshot.org. Look at your process, openshot.org. How many of you have installed this openshot.org? I have given you yesterday, told you to install. Some of you might have not installed, no problem. Okay, I'm going to give you the basic editing option. Okay, not this alone can also be given another week, 1 week workshop. But I'm going to give you basic elements. Okay. Now, how to download it? Look at your process after going to the link that I have given. See at the bottom, you have download version 3.21. Like OBS, this is also completely free. To work with, you need not have internet. See, OBS also, you need not have internet. This tool, OpenShot also, you need not have internet. Do you understand process? Do you get it? So I shall just give you the basics. With that, I will stop. Okay, process. Now go to OpenShot. OpenShot. See, I have already done the basic one. How many of you have downloaded process except Dr. Kumar Sami? How many of you have downloaded? Process, I want you to please respond. How many of you have downloaded? How many of you have downloaded? Okay, very nice. Very nice. Look at here. Let me just open OpenShot. Yeah, this is the window, OpenShot window. This is the OpenShot window. After opening, it will be like this. Please understand, dear professors. These are all different tracks that we have. These are all different tracks. We call it as timeline. Professors, please understand, we call it as timeline. Timeline, okay? And this is where we have the properties. This is where we have the properties. And this is where we see the preview. Is my screen visible to you all? Am I making some sense to the subject that we are dealing with? Look at your process. I shall explain you. This is the window where we have the property, which means the video that you edit, audio that you add, or pictures that you add, all that will be available here. And this is where you add, drop in the video, audio, everything here. And whatever you do, it will be done here. I mean, it will be shown here as preview. Now, how can I add a video here? Before you adding into the timeline for editing, you just add it to the window. Okay, we call it as import files. Option number 1, import the necessary element you want to edit. Okay, right. Click the first import. I'm adding a video. Look at here. I would like to add videos. Look at here. I'm just adding this video. Fine. One of the videos is added. Click again the plus symbol, the blue color symbol, and I would like to add a Zoom video that we have created. Yes, I would like to take the video that we have done. Okay, added. See here, professors, another video. I would like to add another video. Look at here. Add another video. Okay, I have added another video. Okay, one more video let me add. Yes. So I have added one more video, right? Now, after getting the video, please understand, after getting the video or picture, see here, please click and drag. Click and drag. See here, I just click and drag. So if you put anything in scene 1, if you put anything in scene 1, that will be the primary. That will be the primary. If I place anything on top of it, it will be added on to the scene 1, track 1. See, for example, I want to add one of the pictures here. I want to add a picture here. See, right now I'm just adding a picture, import file. Imagine that I'm just adding this picture of look at your process. I'm just trying to add a small piece of pictures. One minute process. Yeah. I'm trying to add this. Yeah. See here, a rose. I'm trying to add this rose into Annamalai University above. You bring it on top, it will be added. Look at here. Are you able to get it? Are you able to get it? If you don't get it, you will have to bring it at the front. See, right click and see here. See, order. You will have somewhere order. Look at here. One minute process. You can have property window. There you can just bring it on the top. Okay, process. Right. Let me just adjust the video. Okay, see here, I just got the picture that has to be brought here. Okay. 1 minute, dear professors. I'm just getting that picture. And the picture is here. Look at here. I have got the picture on the top. Am I clear to you? See, it is on the top. So I can just make it small. See, you can adjust here itself in the window itself. Look at here. See, I have made it small. I have made it small. Once again, process, I have made it small. Okay. Press and make it small. Okay. And you can move up and down wherever you want. Okay. Okay, professors. Since I have opened so many windows, it is struggling. See here, I can keep it here. Am I clear to you? So you can add any picture or any other video, make it small, and on this anything that you put in track 1 is the base. Whatever you add on top of it, track 2, track 3, it will be played on track 1. Okay, professors, right? Okay, I have just put this. I just delete this because it's struggling. Right, fine. Now, how to trim? Professors, please carefully note it. How to trim? Basically, if you want to split the video, I want to split this video. Look at here. I want to split this video. So where do you want to split this video? You can have, you can adjust this knob from where you can move up and down. So now, to cut a video into small pieces, how can I do that? Look at here. You adjust it. If you want to make it smaller, you can also do it like this. See, for example, see, I can adjust like this. Scroll the mouse. You can make this bigger or smaller. When you scroll the mouse, you can make this bigger or smaller. Okay, process. Right. I am trying to cut. See, I am trying to cut at a particular scene. Okay. Okay. See, for example, I would like to cut immediately here. Look at here. I would like to cut here. Exactly from where Annamalai University, the first label comes. Yeah, here. Look at here. Yeah, here, exactly. Right, fine. Okay, process. Now, how to trim? How to cut this? How to cut this? Look at here. There is an option, cut. There is an option, cut razor. Click that and mark it. Mark it, it will automatically cut. Look at here, it is into two pieces. It is into two pieces now. Am I clear? Put back the razor. Now, if you want to edit, so you can trim. For example, imagine that there is something to be trimmed till here. Till here. See, for example, till this. I don't want till the speak. Okay, people speaking here. Okay. Okay, I want to cut this. I want to cut this till this. How can you? Just click here and drag. Look at here. I'm cutting the video. Look at here. See, I have cut the video. Am I clear to you, professors? See what I have done. I have splitted the video into two. And either from this side or this side, you just make a move pointing at a particular place. That portion will be removed. And you join back. Look at here. I'm just joining back. Drag and put it back. Now, see, you will have a sequence. It comes and it goes to the next window by cutting certain elements. I'm unable to show you the preview because it is running with too many windows. So it is struggling. Okay, but we can make it. Subra madam, how to decide from where to cut the video like content useful? Madam, that is up to you. For example, see, please understand. That is up to you. For example, you have recorded unknown. Your few portion is empty, or you have coughed, or extra sound, or anything you feel that unwanted. Cut there. From there, you remove that particular part. See, for example, I have a video of 10 seconds. Please understand, for an example, 10 seconds. In the 5th to 6th second, you have felt something to be removed. So 5th second, put a cut. Now press the razor, press the icon to move it to 6th second. So that particular part is removed. Okay, in between gap. Then bring slightly, adjust it, put it together. That's all. Okay, sir. Okay, okay, Subra madam. Okay, madam. It is to you should decide where you are supposed to delete. Okay, now I tell you how to delete, how to trim. That's all. It can be done with too many aspects. Now you just try to know where to cut, where to remove, where to just make it simple. Okay, now for example, I want only the video of demo of, please understand, professors. I want the video of demo of only the bend sound. So how will you cut? Please go to the bend sound video alone. Look at here. See, I'm just trying to get only the bend sound video. Where is it exactly? I'm searching for the bend sound. I just make it small so that I can easily get it. Carefully note it, professors. See, I'm adjusting and getting to know whether the bend sound. See here, this is all talk about PowerPoint. Look at here. This is talking about PowerPoint. So look at here. I just would like to go directly to bend sound. See? And keep it exactly where the slide, it's here, right? See, I just keep it here. Keep it here, yeah. Now, look at your process. Yeah. Now, what do? I go to the razor. Please understand. I go to the razor and put it here. Exactly. Okay. It is cut into two. It is cut into two. I don't want the middle portion. I delete the middle portion. Okay, the middle portion, unwanted talks are there. Now I just close it. Now look at here. It gives only the video of what? Look at here. I just play. I shall play. Look at here. This is visible. It's audible to you. Music. And directly I go to the home. Look at here.
Please
Got
go
it,
to
professors?
Google and type
Got it?
bend sound.
Got it. Got it now.
You get
Do you understand?
www.bendsound.com.
Professors, do you understand? I have
Click,
trimmed it,
click
right? Well,
www.bendsound.com.
please understand properly, you'll be able to make it.
So you
Now,
get
there is a small
on to the
issue.
browser.
Yes, there is a
After
small
getting
issue,
on to the
professors. I
browser, you
just
click
pass.
free music.
There is a small
Click
issue.
free music.
I just pass.
It
See,
will
the
take
voice
you
is
to
too feeble. How can I enhance the voice? Right click. See, these are all different properties. These are all different properties. You have volume. Look at here, you have volume. So go to the properties, go to the property window. You get the entire property. Look at here, the properties are here. So as I told you, you can have, entire a separate workshop for this. So let me tell you how to, one of the thing is volume. Look at your volume. You can increase the volume. See, I just increase it to 10 point. Earlier it was 1, now it is 10. Now I play.
this window, you will see different variety of
Now
music,
the sound has
cinematic, positive, calm. So I click
Got it.
over calm. In the calm window, you will have so many music. For example, I have a music called Hearty. I just play
Earlier it
this.
was people. Now it is
So after some time,
in the
the
video.
music will play. Get the music. If you like the music, you can download. How can you download? Look at there.
Property window,
You
you
have
can
option
add
free
anything.
download. Click free download.
Property window. I will tell
And
you how to go to the property window. Right click. See properties here. So when you choose property, you have so many options, out of which one is volume. You can increase the volume if you want to enhance the sound. Okay, professors? Have you understood? Imagine that the last scene, see for example from the last, see for so many seconds it's going unused. I want to cut the video. I want to cut the video, people speaking. So what should I do? I just go with the window from where, see here. I don't want my talking video. So I want to cut it. Look at here. Just bring that knob, red color knob, exactly where the end. Okay, look at here. See, I'm ending here. Let me check. Yeah, here I speak, right? So I don't want my speech. So what do? Now you put a full stop here. See now how to break it. Go to eraser tool and put the cut here. Right. Now it is split into 2. Put back the eraser and delete this part. Okay, deleted. See here, the center part is deleted. Now I have to delete this. Control Z. Click this and delete. See, click this and this part, the last part is deleted. Now you can complete the video. Okay, I have just given only the how to download bed sound. Now how can I get this video? Very simple process. Make note of it. Go to file. Process. Go to file. Export project. The shortcut key is Control E. The shortcut key is Control E. Okay. Please press file and click export project. Export project. Okay, process. Press export project. This is Control E. Click that and you will have a dialog window and enter the name and so on. For example, I just wanted to enter the name. Where do you want to store this project? See, this is a model project for open shot. I have kept the name. Where do you want to store? I want to store it in Annamalai University folder. See, I just store it in Annamalai University folder. So keep the folder open, select it. Fine. Now press export. That's all. Process now. You choose the file name and other things. Other things are okay. It's full HD only. Sorry, HD only. Okay. Kindly wait. It will be ready. Whatever that you have cut, it will be ready. We have actually 4 minutes video now cut into 1 minute. Exactly the bend sound alone. Where will the video be? It will be video. The final video will be stored in Annamalai University folder. Okay, professors, have you all got it? I have 5 minutes to tell you some basic elements of quality parameters. With that we end. Okay, with that we end. Okay, professors, I want you to please use the tool for cutting, trimming, and finalizing the video if it is needed. Otherwise, you do it without any editing part. While recording itself, you do it perfectly and you don't want. So use this tool for trimming and removing unwanted portion. Okay, then put it together, then export. Professors, to do this, you should have minimum configuration of 8 GB RAM. Your system should be compatible. Okay, 8 GB RAM should be there. and free space should be there in the system. Otherwise, it will be too much hanging. Okay, see here, the video is getting ready. Professors, I have not shown you so many options here. It can be done with too many options. Complete editing can be done. Now I have told you how to trim, how to put it back, and how to export. That's all. So within the time frame, only this can be given. In the next, maybe whatever tool is needed, based on that, you just give your requirements to AU, IQAC. They will be organizing further workshops or STCs. If not 7 days, at least shorter duration we can have, and have special workshop of any tool that you want. Look at here, it is done. Project is done. I go to the folder, now Annamalai University folder. Look at here. I go to the Annamalai University folder. You find the video here. Where is the video? Look at here, model project. Look at here, model project. I just open. This is what that we have cut actually. Look at there. Now earlier we have done it. Look at here. Now this talks about only the demonstration.
Please go to Google and type benzound. You get www.benzound.com. Click
This is a
www.benzound.com.
trimmed video. That we have.
So you get onto the browser. After getting onto the
Earlier it
browser,
was
you
very
click
feeble.
free
I
music.
have enhanced the volume.
Click free music.
I have
It will
done
take you to
now.
this window. You will see different variety of music, cinematic, positive, calm. So I click over calm. In the calm window, you will have so many music. For example, I have a music called Hearty. I just play this. So after some time, the music will play. Get the music. If you like the music, you can download.
Now, look at here, I just spend few minutes, Professors, 1 minute, Professors. I would like to just spend a few minutes in quality parameters, Professors. Kindly adhere to. Sorry if time goes on. 1 minute, Professors. Professor Monica, thank you very much for your offer. I shall share my number and other things to you later. Thank you. Now, Professors, kindly hold on for a while. Let me just make note of this. Okay. Quickly, let me finish it off. Professors, quickly, is my screen visible? See, when you prepare all these 4-quadrant modules, you should keep quality parameters in mind and copyright things in your mind. Professors, please see that it should have academic parameters. You should have academic parameters such as it should be from the syllabus. It should be from the prescribed book. It should have the objective should be satisfied in the preparation of lesson. So please make sure in every quadrant, you should have course code, you should have a course title and the module title. Specify everything clearly. Okay, the academics parameters should be kept in mind. And pedagogical aspects. Make people understand if you define a course objective for a particular content, particular module, it should be satisfied. Okay, pedagogical aspects should be kept in mind. And thirdly, technical elements, the voice, the picture quality, the transition, noise, the quality of the sound, all that should be kept up. Okay, am I clear to you? The quality of the video, the quality of the text, whatever that is shown, you should have the technical quality. And whatever that you show them, they should all think of, don't look at in your perspective, it should have learner's perspective. Just think of the learners. Will they be able to understand when I show this? Will they be able to get this when I explain this? So keep the learners in mind when you do everything. And professors, please, I have forwarded you to some of the files. Please go through the files for the parameters specified by UGC SWAYAM. Go through according to the standard you prefer. I'll show you at the end all the slides. And keep in mind your institutional standards should be kept up. For example, if you happen to speak grammatically, it should be perfect, and sentences should be pakka, and academically you are representing your institution. So keep up the institutional standard. So keep note of all these standard parameters. And professors, anything that you use, it should be technological friendly. Don't show something which cannot be done by the students. So it should be learner friendly, technological friendly, learner friendly. And a fellow teacher should also be able to see a particular video could be used under OER, Open Educational Resources. It should be teacher friendly. For you also, it should be smoother. Don't complicate and make things complicated. And you should have pedagogical values. I told you already, pedagogical values, which means the objective should be satisfied. Whatever that is kept in mind, please understand, dear professors, whatever that is kept in mind. Professors, I request you to please hold for some time. Hold for some time, professors. Thank you very much for your compliments. Kindly hold. Let me finish off this. Just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I know I'm crossing the time. I'm sorry. So it should have pedagogical value. Whatever that is shown, the objective should be satisfied. The learner should be kept in mind. Even the simple thing that you show them, it should be very, very useful for the learner. And they should have a different perspective rather than the regular class teaching. And any evaluation that you do, for example, Q4, mostly try to give self-evaluative because we cannot be evaluating all that we wanted to do. For example, if you have 40 hours of module per course, can you evaluate all the 40 assessments? So go for self-evaluation. Okay, right. And dear professors, you should also use objective-based learning. Always keep objective and satisfy the objective. Right, look at here. These are all some of the parameters for video development. When you look at the camera, you should look at the eye, camera eye. And the video is supposed to be automated, extemporary, not looking at the notes or not, not in a position to, if you're tight, if you're not that, if your flow is not that great, if you're not, unable to be, exposing yourself very calm and composed, people will feel that the teacher is frightened or frightened of camera or, you cannot be extemporary and so on. You feel free, casual. Be casual with a smiling face. You can just speak to people. And don't be stiff. And always make sure the video is supposed to be 10 to 15 minutes. And you should have hasty format. It should have minimum hasty format. Okay, professors? And use necessary graphical element in PowerPoint. Don't put the continuous text. You should have pictures, additional elements so that people can easily understand. And make sure your quality of sound should be better. Technically, it should be good. And when you prepare e-text, it should be PDF file, it should be document. It should be A4 document with all side one inch margin. Minimum 3,000 words should be there. Any module e-content should have 3,000 words. Even the text should have necessary elements. On the other day, I've shown you smart art, pictures, graphs, map, all that chart, all that can be added into your text that you prepare. When you prepare PPT, it should be wide screen, 16:9. Okay, the format should be PPT and PPTX. Minimum 15, maximum 20 slides. Don't go beyond that. Don't go beyond that. Okay, dear professors. Now, you also use the text like, these are all some of the text given. Please use a text, a decent text people could understand. Okay, dear professors? Right. Now, these are all guidelines of plagiarism. Avoid content from others. Don't extract from a book complete. Don't extract an online material. Don't extract somebody's sources. You try to do it on your own. Make use of AI tools, which could be better. If you are using others, please give credits to them. For example, if I use the material of Dr. Jayaprakash, if I use the book content, give credit over there at the bottom of the slide. Source, you mention the book. Or if source, you mention Dr. Jayaprakash and give credits to him, right? So please, the plagiarism should be 15% if you're using others' content. Please follow university plagiarism checker to ensure. Okay, dear professors? Okay, fine. So let me stop with this process. So I hope this would have some enlightenment on quality parameters. Please produce quality content. I would like to leave an end note, professors. We are living in digital era. Our students are grown up with technology. They are born with technology. So holding them into the class is much challenging today. So if you go with all these, modern trends of devising MOOCs, you can even reach out millions of learners. Not only your own students confined to your campus, but also you can reach out to millions of students with your own, magic of teaching. So professors, let us continue to enlighten the students at larger society, and let us uphold the spirit of Government of India and government of our own states to reach out to different students and to have transfer of credit, mobility, and so on between one to the other. And let us push forward so that we can give our learners a new learning experience and outcome-based education. Okay, dear professors, please make use of all these. And I want you to at least develop one course for MOOC personally to your course from the first step. At least 4 or 5 modules you just develop for 4-quarter module, design a website, upload them, and pass it on to your students so that our students get benefited. Based on that experience, later, please go to swayaminflipped.ac.in and apply for offering MOOC courses. All the very best, professors. You have been so wonderful, professors. I tell you, all these days, you're working and you're spending more than 2 hours. Some of you spend more than 2 hours in clarifying your doubts. That's really amazing. When you have interest, you can see changes. You can be a creative teacher with us. So let us be creative teachers, professors. My best wishes. In your experimenting or in your hands-on practice, if you have any difficulty, you can reach me out always. So thank you all. Appreciations to you all. And the last, the host, the Annamalai University, HRD, the IQAC. Wonderful people they are. I know past 1 week they are having tough time with rough weather, but still they are able to host this event. I appreciate the IQAC coordinator, sir, and all the deputy directors and the team, technical team who are there still in the office. Today is Sunday. Look at them. They are all in IQAC office. Every day they are hosting the events. Thank you. And the host, Bhargavi madam, Sasikala madam, and others, so many people have been there hosting. I appreciate all of you. And the last, the contact person who connected me with the AU, Dr. Jayaprakash. Thank you, Dr. Jayaprakash, and the team of energetic members with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We shall connect with the other workshop. I'm really happy to read all your comments. I'm sorry I couldn't respond to you. Over to the organizers now.
Thank you very much, sir, for the interesting session today. Now is the time for the feedback by the participants. The participants, 1 or 2 of you can unmute yourself and you can give your feedback.
Professors, I'm extremely sorry for taking your time today because I wanted to give you the last. Sorry. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. This is Dikshit.
Yeah, please. Come on to video.
Sorry, ma'am, I cannot switch on my camera, but I'll go with the audio.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
it has been a wonderful week of knowledge. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and letting us know the things. We are happy that I'm at least able to build my own website and deliver my lessons. And thank you so much. For the organizers also, I personally thank all the organizers. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dikshit sir. You are one of the dynamic participants. Thank you. Every now and then you were
Thank you, Dikshit sir, for the good words. Next person.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Vimal sir. I'm Dr. Tendal from Etheraj College. Really, no, sir. Whenever I heard of this e-content development or MOOC, no, always it was frightening me. I'm not that much good. I'm a life science teacher. I'm not that much good with all this chat GPT and all. But after this 7 days, no, sir, really, I felt that if you do a very meticulous thing, it is possible for us to do the content for Swayam itself. Thank you, Vimal sir. Really a sincere and meticulous teacher. I always, my mentor has told that a good teacher will always make and understand the work very easier and simpler. You have done that, sir. Kudos to you all. And special thanks to the IQAC team and especially Jay Prakash sir, and all the members who took much effort in bringing out this an event, a very good success in spite of that the inclement weather we had. Thank you all. God bless you all.
Thank you, Tendal madam. Thanks a lot. You are also.
Thank you, Tendal madam. 2 more participants are given opportunity to express their views. Yes.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Guruji.
Sir, good evening.
Madam.
Good evening to all.
I am Dr. Kumar from Swami Dayananda College of Arts and Science, Manjagudi. I am grateful for this opportunity to participate in these valuable sessions, sir. I have already attended your sessions. I gathered so many informations, and as a Joseph, I am very much happy to attend frequently your sessions in each and every part. Wherever you are giving interaction sessions and demo, I am ready to join. And this is a very good opportunity given for me. And I'm also a Joseph, so I'm very much happy to meet after a long time you as my mentor to get more and more information. And I'm very much thankful to Dr. Vimal Jaral sir again, and IQAC-ANNAMALAI University, and Dr. Jay Prakash sir and madam. Thank you all, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Kumar sir.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Good evening, sir, and all the audience.
Good
This
evening,
is
madam.
Dr. Sanya,
Yes,
and
Dr.
I'm from Integral University, Lucknow, the northern part of India. And I was very curious to join this session because I have been given the responsibility of developing a MOOC course by my head of department here. And I have no idea, I had no idea about it whatsoever because I'm not an ET person, I'm from humanities. And since the time I read about this
Yes, madam.
STC, I was always very curious that I used to think that it would be a very cumbersome job to develop MOOCs. But the way Dr. Vimal has taught us for the past 7 days, now it looks that it is very easy. And it is rightly said by other participants also that a good teacher always makes the job very easier for the students. So it is very true for Dr. Vimal. And I'm very hopeful that I shall in future also be joining any such programs held by Annamalai University. And very insightful sessions. Thank you to all the organizers.
Thank you, ma'am, for your good words.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Sanya. Thank you for your enthusiastic participation. Thank you.
Good evening, entire team of IQAC and the resource person Vimal Gerald sir. I am Dr. Manimuri from Nagapattinam ADM College. Wonderful program, sir. Every day when the time 6:30 comes, we all eagerly logged in to the program. And being e-content development coordinator of our college, I'm very much eager to join this program. When the very first day, I saw the link and the brochure, and I joined this program, and it was very useful. During COVID time, we have created our own video captures, online lectures. Though we created and we are having video capturing room in our college, and we are doing this so that only I need much more knowledge in this, and I joined this, and I have really, it was a wonderful program. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And your energetic 2 hours lecture daily, it makes us very eager to listen to you. Thank you. Thank you, IQAC team. Thank you all.
Thank you, Manimuri madam.
Thank
Rest
you,
of the
Manipuri madam. Thank you.
participants, If you want to express your views, you can post it in the WhatsApp group. You can post all your comments or your appreciations to sir in the WhatsApp group. Okay. And before I go in for the vote of thanks, a few instructions. See, actually, your certificates will be sent to you by 16th December 2024, provided you submit your Google form. A Google form will be sent to you in WhatsApp group. You have to fill in the Google form and submit it within 2 days. This is for data regarding for the certificate generation. So instruction is given in the Google form. Accordingly, you fill in the Google form and submit it in 2 days' time. Then regarding the attendance link, see, it has been posted every day. So if you have posted your attendance links for 4 days, you'll be getting your certificate. This is because the director has permitted us minimum of 4 days because of the weather conditions. Actually, it is for 7 days. The program is for 7 days. But due to weather conditions, SAR has reduced the number of days to 4. If you have posted your attendance for 4 days, you'll be getting your certificate. Otherwise, please don't disturb the Jayaprakash sir. Telling sir, I have posted and all. Because strict provided you have attended for 4 days, only then you'll be getting your certificates. Okay, now I go to the formal vote of thanks. Good evening to all of you. 7 long days of practical and fruitful sessions. And now at the end, I'm here today with immense gratitude and pride to deliver the vote of thanks for the transformative training program on creating MOOCs using the 4-quadrant approach. First and foremost, my thanks to the Almighty for having blessed all of us to participate and complete this program in a successful manner. My profound thanks to the authorities of Annamalai University, VC Sir, Registrar Sir, IQAC Director, for permitting us to conduct the 7 days program. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed resource person, Professor Vimat Gerald Sir, for having accepted to lead us through these 7 days. Your sessions were not only insightful, but also deeply inspiring. Your ability to simplify complex concepts, share practical strategies, and motivate us to think creatively is a testament to your dedication and as an educator. The energy and passion you bring into teaching have left a lasting impact on each of us, and we are equipped with a wealth of knowledge to embark on our own journey in creating effective moves. A special word of appreciation goes to Dr. K. Jayaprakash, whose meticulous planning and seamless coordination made this program a reality, from organizing the sessions to ensuring that every detail was attended to. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Your behind-the-scenes work has been the backbone of this program's success, and we are deeply grateful. I am also grateful to the organizing secretary, Dr. Shakila Madam, Dr. Bala Murli, Dr. Shanbagam Madam, who have been starting the program and ending the program every day, all these 7 days. I thank the participants. It is without your active engagement, thoughtful questions, and collaborative spirit, this program would not have been a success. Thank you very much for reposing faith in the activities conducted by the IQAC of Annamalai University, and we are sure that we'll continue such programs further also, expecting your cooperation and involvement in future endeavors also. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants and request you to implement this with dedication and continue to inspire others. Wishing you all the best. Thank you, one and all.
So we shall also thank Praveena Madam for your wonderful work. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
You've
your
done a great
commitment.
job, in spite of your weather conditions. That's great.
Thank you for your commitment and involvement, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Without your presence, without your guidance, this program would not have been a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Sorry, I mispronounced your name at the beginning. Sorry, madam.
No problem, sir. No problem.
And please give our wishes. Congratulate your team members, director sir, deputy director sir, and all your organizing secretaries every day. Shenbaga madam,
Shakila madam.
Shakila madam, and one more sir, Sarangan sir, I suppose.
Balamurli sir.
Yeah, Balamurli sir. And please give our wishes and special wishes to Jayaprakash sir. Participants, let us applaud the entire team. headed by the IQAC director, deputy director, and all of them. They are coming to the university even on holidays. For past few days, university is locked for weather condition. The condition of weather is too poor, but still they are able to make it. Let us give a virtual applause to the team, entire team. Thank you, thank you. We shall meet in yet another workshop or STC MTP conducted by IQAC-ANNAMALAI University. Thank you all dear participants. Please take enough rest. At the same time, never forget to work on and come out with creating a MOOC course on your own. Sakila madam, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Please
thank
share.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Ravina madam, please share our wishes to all your team members.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
give our
Definitely,
wishes.
sir.
All the participants'
Thank-
wishes also. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, madam.
special thanks to
Thank
all the
all the
participants for your
participants.
excellent words. Yes, madam.
Participants, if you have any doubt when you're creating, you can always feel free to contact sir and ask. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Jai
sir.
Prakash sir, thank you. If you are there, thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Vanakkam, sir.
Thank you, dear participants. See you all in the next workshop or MDP. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Sania madam. Thank you for the offer. Thank you.